Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Honor Magic V5. So, first, open the quick settings, click and hold on to Wi-Fi, then select your Wi-Fi and forget it. Then, after a couple of seconds, disable the Wi-Fi completely. You can even enable the airplane mode, turn it back on, and then try to connect once again. If it's not working for you still, then you need to restart your phone and the router. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.